Do you ever gaze at the stars and wonder if we're alone in this vast universe? It's a question that has tickled the human imagination for centuries, sparking curiosity and a sense of wonder. It's the question that propels scientists to probe the universe's deepest corners and darkest shadows in search of life beyond our blue planet. Let's paint a picture of the universe. It's an expanse so vast it's almost beyond comprehension. Imagine a beach. Now imagine every grain of sand on that beach represents a galaxy. Each of those galaxies, like our very own Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, and around those stars, planets. Countless planets, some of which might be similar to our Earth. Now let's talk about life. As far as we know, life requires certain conditions to thrive. A moderate temperature, a stable environment, and most importantly, water. Water, that precious life-giving liquid, is the key to life as we know it. And guess what? We've found evidence of it, not just on our own planet, but on planets and moons within our own solar system. Mars, our red neighbor, shows signs of ancient riverbeds and frozen water at its poles. Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus both have vast oceans beneath their icy surfaces, potentially providing a suitable environment for life. So with an almost infinite number of planets in the universe, the presence of water in our own solar system, and the undying curiosity of humankind, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. We look to the stars not just to understand our place in the cosmos, but to answer that burning question, are we alone? With such an enormous universe, it almost seems improbable that Earth is the only planet with life. As we continue to explore, to search, to question, we open ourselves to a universe of possibilities. Possibilities that could change the way we understand life, the universe, and our place within it. Scene script: science has been trying to answer this perplexing question for centuries. Are we alone in this universe? Or is there a possibility of extraterrestrial life? One of the ways we've tried to tackle this enigma is through the Drake equation. Proposed by Frank Drake in 1961, this equation estimates the number of civilizations in our galaxy that we might come in contact with. It takes into account several factors like the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planetary systems, the number of planets that could potentially support life, and the likelihood of life developing into intelligent beings. Now, the equation isn't perfect, and the values can vary widely, but it provides a scientific framework for pondering the possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth. Another exciting development in our search for extraterrestrial life is the discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zone. These are planets outside our solar system that orbit their stars in just the right zone, not too hot, not too cold, where conditions could be right for life as we know it. Thanks to space missions like Kepler and TESS, we've discovered thousands of these exoplanets, with a handful located in their star's habitable zone. And then there's the ongoing search for microbial life within our own solar system. Mars has been a prime target, with rovers like Perseverance probing its surface for signs of ancient life. But Mars isn't the only contender. The icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus, harbor vast oceans beneath their frozen surfaces. These oceans could potentially host microbial life, opening up new frontiers in our quest for extraterrestrial life. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? But what if alien life is not just microbial? What if there are intelligent beings out there, somewhere in the cosmos? These questions have driven humanity's curiosity for centuries and have sparked the launch of various initiatives. One of the most notable being the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. SETI is a collective term for the scientific search for intelligent extraterrestrial life. For example, monitoring electromagnetic radiation for signs of transmissions from civilizations on other worlds. The SETI project began in the 1960s and has since evolved into a global network of scientists and volunteers scanning the skies for signs of life beyond our planet. One of the most tantalizing instances in SETI's history is the famous WOW signal. Detected in 1977, this strong, narrow-band radio signal seemed to be the kind of signal SETI was searching for. The signal bore the expected hallmarks of non-terrestrial and non-solar system origin. The excitement was such that the observing scientist wrote WOW on the printout, thus giving the signal its name. Despite numerous attempts, the signal has never been detected again, leaving its origin a mystery. But the WOW signal is not the only unexplained signal detected by astronomers. There have been numerous other instances of unexplained signals, each one sparking excitement and intrigue. These signals are often fleeting, detected once and then never again, leaving scientists with more questions than answers. Yet, despite these tantalizing hints, we have yet to find definitive proof of extraterrestrial intelligence. Regardless, the search continues, driven by our curiosity and our desire to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? While we have yet to find definitive proof, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence continues. It's a quest that stretches our technological capabilities and our understanding of the universe, and one that may one day redefine our place within it. The discovery of alien life, whether microbial or intelligent, would have profound implications for humanity. Just imagine, if we were to find proof of extraterrestrial life, our understanding of life itself would be dramatically reshaped. We've long pondered the question, are we alone in the universe? A definitive answer would not only satisfy our curiosity, but also revolutionize our perception of life's existence and our place in the cosmos. From a philosophical perspective, it would be a moment of profound realization. We would have to grapple with the fact that we are not the lone actors on the cosmic stage, that life is not a unique phenomenon to our blue planet. This would be a humbling experience, reminding us of our smallness in the grand scheme of the universe. Religiously, it would challenge many belief systems. Most religions across the world are anthropocentric, with humans often seen as the central figures in the divine narrative. The confirmation of extraterrestrial life would necessitate a re-evaluation of these narratives, and perhaps even spark new theological discussions and interpretations. The societal and cultural impact would also be significant. It would influence our art, our literature, our music, as we attempt to understand and interpret this new reality. It could also have a profound effect on our legal and ethical frameworks. For instance, how would we approach the rights of ascension alien species? Would they be entitled to the same rights as humans? These are complex questions that we would need to grapple with. And then, there's the potential for technological advancement. Just think about the possibilities of learning from a civilization far more advanced than ours. The technological leap could be astronomical, propelling us into a future we can hardly imagine. The discovery of alien life would surely be one of the most significant events in human history. It would force us to reconsider many of our long-held beliefs and assumptions. It would be a moment of collective awe and wonder. A moment that would forever change our understanding of our place in the universe. So, are we alone in the universe? As we've explored in this video, the universe is a vast, intricate tapestry, woven with countless stars, galaxies, and potentially habitable planets. It's a canvas of cosmic proportions, teeming with infinite possibilities. Given this immensity, the likelihood of us being the universe's sole inhabitants seems increasingly slim. We've delved into the latest scientific theories and discoveries that hint at the existence of alien life. We've learned about extremophiles, life forms on our very own Earth that thrive in conditions once thought inhospitable to life. These remarkable creatures suggest that life could also exist in the harsh environments of other planets. We've also explored the fascinating field of astrobiology, the study of life's potential existence beyond Earth. Scientists are tirelessly studying planets within our own solar system and beyond, hunting for signs of life. The discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zones of their stars, where conditions might be ripe for life as we know it, has ignited a spark of hope. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is another crucial piece of this cosmic puzzle. Using advanced technologies, scientists are listening for signals from distant civilizations. While we haven't received a definitive hello from the cosmos yet, the search is far from over. Lastly, we've considered the profound implications for humanity if we were to discover we're not alone. Such a revelation would undoubtedly transform our understanding of our place in the universe. It would challenge our philosophies, religions, and perhaps even our sense of self. While we have yet to find definitive proof, the search continues. It's a quest driven by our insatiable curiosity, our desire to understand our universe better, and perhaps a deep-seated need to know we're not alone in this vast cosmic ocean, and who knows, maybe one day we'll finally have an answer to that age-old question.